Okay, we're gonna be unboxing this brand new Invidia catback exhaust system for the Honda S2000. Just came in the mail. Let's see what it looks like. This side of the box is a lot cleaner. Alright. Wow. Ooh, it came with gaskets and everything. I was not expecting that. Oh, wow. So it gives you a little sticker, couplers and gaskets and stuff. Hope that's everything I need. I don't want to use any of the old stuff I got. Nice. So, everything's in packaging. I'll take pictures later when everything's all out and set them all aside. This thing is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's actually really big. So this is what it looks like when you buy a brand new Invidia Q300 exhaust system. This is where it splits. Here's the other one. And that's literally it.
Alright, so this is what's inside the box outside of the packaging. I didn't record the entire install process due to the obstacles that we came across. So we had a lot of rusted bolts, and I will show how we got some of those bolts off, and I'm sure it'll help a lot of you guys out.
Alright, so we had some rusted bolts that we couldn't remove. So what we're doing here is we're using a torch to heat up all this rust, and we're gonna hammer it out in just a few seconds here. This is the last one. Let's see what we can do. Angle here. Here we go.
Let's go.
Here we go.
These are some up close shots of the end of the catalytic converter. As you can see, these bolts are like so rusted and old. They're just about melted on there. And on this side you can see that the bolt is actually cut just a little bit. So we had to cut the nut off, and the bolt, some of the bolt came with it. So we couldn't just put on some new nuts. We had to actually hammer this thing out, and this is why we had to use the torch so we could put new bolts on. So here's the old exhaust after we removed it. On the two mufflers you can see that there's 4 black rubber grommets that are holding the mufflers in place. There's also one that holds the resonator in the middle. You'll have to probably use some WD-40 to remove those, but you will need those for the new exhaust.
Go ahead.